Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Meesho HR Intern Talent Acquisition role के लिए hiring कर रही है. First of all, let us see about the job and about the team. As the HR team, we play a key role in getting on board the right talent to make Meesho India's preferred shopping destination. We continuously hunting for the best practices across the globe to take our people practices to the next level. As intern talent acquisition, you will join us in making data-backed decisions to make Meesho the most sought-after place to work. We closely work with the Meesho leadership team to understand business objectives and fine-tune our processes, aligning our decisions with company goals. As the HR team, we know how important it is to maintain a work-life balance. We have regular one-on-one sessions, timely rewards and recognitions, and monthly outings where we talk about everything apart from work. With us, you can be sure of finding an environment that's both professionally enriching as well as fun. Now let's check about the role of the HR intern. As HR Intern Talent Acquisition (COE), you will work closely with the TA team and will help in maintaining the talent acquisition data sensitivity in the ATS tool. ATS is application tracking system and it is a software जिसमें कि candidates का application track किया जाता है. You will work on recruitment specific data and prepare reports, dashboards based on different metrics that is defined for TA. Regularly clean up the recruitment data in the ATS tool by coordinating with TA team. Publish department and metric specific reports or dashboards to the stakeholders, ensuring that requisition, job posting and offer from details are updated appropriately and are in adherence on the internal guidelines. Prepare ad hoc data reports as and when needed. Now let us check who all are eligible for this job role. 0 to 1 year of similar experience are preferred, but freshers can apply. Graduate, post-graduation required. Graduation is compulsory. If you are postgraduate, you can also apply. Preferred experience in recruitment in a fast-moving, high-growth, large-scale organization. Ability to communicate effectively with stakeholders and candidates. If you are eligible for this job role, then आपको इस apply button पर click करना है. After clicking on apply button, ये page open हो जाएगा where you have to click on apply now and after that ये submit your application वाला page open हो जाएगा and you have to fill all the details. First of all, you have to upload your resume और आप अपने LinkedIn प्रोफाइल से भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद फुल नेम, ईमेल, फोन, current company if you are working at somewhere, then your social media links, LinkedIn URL, Twitter URL, GitHub URL if you are having. LinkedIn URL is compulsory here. Then additional information if you want to provide. Then you have to click on this I am a human and you have to click on submit application and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.